today. Let me tell you something that, the young bully had revealed all about yawn. You know, yawning is the reflexible body that cooling you down and feel, you know, that made you relax. And let me review it for you. It's like ant versus ant in habits or norms. While camping for the night, Lucas yawned because he was very tired. And there's Sock's reaction is because he finds out that it was disgusting that he imagined Lucas was getting ill. And Sock asks Sock that ants get yawned, and he definitely not thank you. Then they talked all about differences about colony and human stuff, I feel kind of thirsty. After talking, Lucas got a last yawn and he fell fast asleep. It's because Lucas apologized for what he's doing that he admittedly destroyed the colony because of his frustrating carried aloud. And Sock apologized for his action that he can acting without thinking. There is common ground. Sock eventually yawned himself as he drifted off to sleep. And he and Lucas wish each other good night. That's my favorite scene of the movie. I never knew why the young bully had a yawn review. In fact, I got a yawn too as I was telling you review. And that's why I got an outfit as I wear the summer pajama day for the young gang. I examining the characters from the young bully. As I got a goggles same as Lucas's. See? That's why I got a goggles. And this is for pajama party summer with Lucas and the other ants. And this is good for a good pajamas. This is I got a singlet, and that was called the pants is elite. Well, I need to know why Sock, the wizard, got a yawn. Well, he catches by Lucas as yawn is contagious. That's why I knew that sometimes he can act without thinking, including that there might be a like in that way. That's good. Let me show you a view that Sock got yawn in The Ant Bully. Feeling kind of tired as I rub my eyes. That's the moment connection. That was why Sock got yawn himself. That was contradicting his earlier play. Nice way. And I'm going to review why Lucas got a yawn. That Sock finds the human action is disgusting. He didn't know about yawning is that he thought it wasn't like a sound that causing disease. I remember that 18 years ago, that is because the DVD that all my imaginaries giving some good advice that The Ant Bully is my favorite movie, that because that I always believe very much as that made me do like this, and I got another shirt around this too. Oh, sorry, I was kind excused. I got yawn. I was using my phone that gave me a few hours. I'm very kind of tired. I'm going to bed. And bless you well, everybody.